How to create a poll in Instagram. So open the Instagram and then here you have a camera icon on the top left. I'm just going to take a picture of a wall. On the top in the right hand side you can see the sticker like icon. So a smiley sticker like icon. Click on sticker and then click on poll. And then you're gonna type a questions. What do you like most? I'm going to put a question marks and then guys I'm done. Now you can click on save your story or send to. So you can go on with your own options. If you like to share, you can share. So it's done. Okay guys, now it's your story. Here you have. So click on your profile picture. If you have shared your story, you're gonna see your story. Now people can vote yes or no. If someone is voting yes, you can see guys 100%. In this way, number of people can vote on your poll. You can ask a different number of questions. You have a highlight option. In the more section, you have a lots of options to delete, save photo, send to, share a post and story settings. So this is the way how you can do this, how to create a poll in Instagram. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next video with another great stuff and great update. Have a good day. Catch you in the next video.